Good morning, friend. Let's talk about daily commodity commentary and technical level. Yesterday, we have seen that gold prices increased by 0.81% and closed at 47,684. In international market, gold is trading around $1,800 per ounce. However, silver prices corrected sharply by 0.75% and closed at 69,512. In international market, silver is trading around $26.14 per ounce. The trend of gold and silver are sideways on the back of increase in dollar. However, we have seen that some correction in silver prices. Market is still waiting for the Fed minute, which is released today. So we are expecting still a range bound movement may be seen. However, we'll see in upside momentum in gold prices and correction in silver prices. So for today, gold trader can go for buy in gold at 47,400, and for the silver, trader can go for short in silver around 70,000. For today, gold support at 47,200, resistance 48,000. Silver support at 68,600, resistance 70,400. Now let's talk about the base metal. Yesterday we have seen a correction in the base metal. Copper corrected by 1.48%. Zinc price also corrected by 0.08%. The trend of base metal are negative on the back of selling expected by the Chinese reserve. This will impact a negative on the base metal. So for today, trader can go for short in all the base metal. For today, copper support at 712, resistance 730. Zinc support at 234, resistance 242. Lead support at 174, resistance 182. Nickel support at 1335, resistance 1375. The trend of all the base metal are negative, so trader can go for short in base metal. Now let's talk about the energy segment. After the long time, we have seen that yesterday crude oil prices corrected sharply by almost 3.34%. Natural gas prices also corrected by 2.88%. The trend of natural gas and crude oil are sideways to down as people are adjust the OPEC decision, and this will impact negatively. However, we have seen some supply has been increased in US market as US crude oil supply is increasing. For today, crude oil support at 5400, resistance 5590. WTI crude oil support at 71.50, resistance 74.60. Brent crude support at 72.80, resistance 75.60. Natural gas support at 263, resistance 279. Crude oil in US market, oil rigs count has increased last week sharply. This will impact on supplies, and we will see a sharp appreciation in the supplies. So this will impact negative on the crude oil prices and in natural gas. So trader can go for short in crude oil and in natural gas for intraday perspective also. We hope that you will be benefited from this commentary. Thank you.